My name is Mihai Penica. I'm a PhD student here in UL. I'm in my 4th years of PhD. My field of study is interoperability, but applying AI to interoperability. Develop low power consumption electronics that can interact with AI systems.
My name is William O'Brien. I'm a 3rd year PhD researcher. I'm based down in Confirm. It's a centre for smart manufacturing, and we do a lot of research in the use of 5G, it's smart manufacturing and interoperability use cases.
Our project is designed to do a thermal analysis on a building using drones and thermal cameras. Basically, how to reduce the heat loss in the building. Because we are flying the drone, we took advantage of that, and we are trying to determine the total square area of the roof and determine the tilt grade on the roof and everything, so we can determine exactly how many solar panels you can install on the roof and how much energy you can generate every year.
So, and as well as that, we'd also like to make it as easy to use as possible. So we're kind of implementing kind of a Google Maps platform that you can click in, type your area code in, you can see for that particular building what kind of solar output you'll get and what kind of thermal analysis is, like where issues lie, such as cold bridges, issues around windows and stuff like that as well.
It can be done with any average drone, and what we are trying to do right now is we have some issue with regulations using drones. Okay, so you cannot fly the drone, less than 50 meters from buildings, people, roads, and all that stuff. We're trying to basically create a mobile app that you can connect to a thermal camera, and using the app you can do whatever, the same thing what you have done with using a drone. So basically you can use your mobile phone with a thermal camera paired to an analysis of your building.
So the project idea really came from the whole energy crisis there in the past, I suppose, 12 months really. We just kind of wanted to see how homeowners could actually make their homes better. You buy a lot of gas, you buy a lot of coal, you buy a lot of oil. You need to know why am I spending so much on it? Can I actually reduce it by maybe targeting such deep retrofits in your home?
So we started by getting the drones. That was the first step in starting the process, and the thermal cameras. We had some issues there.
Supply chain challenges, and they didn't really come till March or April, but with AI and stuff, a lot of it can be trained using online data, so that really wasn't impacted that whole pile. We'd love to have targeted a lot more buildings, but just due to time constraints we couldn't, but I think we're quite happy with what we got so far, and the fact that we'll have it all available on Google Maps, and we'll have all our data available on GitHub that anyone can implement it themselves for use. Will be, I suppose, be very nice and can really go beyond the project once it's all finished.
We only have one planet, and we should take care of it. And today, with the technologies today, and having access to all this technology, will help us take care of our planet. We have to think in future generations, because this is where this is going, and we have to use technology to do that.
Be happy if we won, winning is if it's not winning, it's not everything, it doesn't, we all made good projects, we're all happy with what we did today, so we're happy we're happy if we won, but we're happy we also took part. This project can be, I suppose, it can be implemented further beyond UL. It's not just for us, and we never intend to just be for us, we're not guarding our product here. We'd rather people build on it, That's the whole point of, I suppose, making it publicly available, all this data afterwards, So I hope it actually does go on beyond this, It isn't, I hope other people, I suppose, pick up the pieces where we left off,